Hey everybody, I'm Matthew Morris for Highland Woodworking, and today we're talking about Festool's line of Rotex Sanders. Festool's line of Rotex Sanders is perfect if you want to get into the world of Festool sanding and you're looking for the most versatility you can buy in a sander. With different sizes of Festool Rotex Sanders to pick from, there's one that's perfect for you. These sanders provide 3-in-1 functionality in 2 modes. In the rotary mode, you can do coarse sanding and polishing, while in the eccentric mode, or otherwise known as random orbit, you can do fine sanding. So how might you use this in the shop? Well, put into rotary mode, which is great for removing large amounts of material, such as sanding a slab. Or put it into the eccentric or random orbit mode, and it's great for sanding your material all the way up to a fine finish. And if you want to polish your work, put a sponge on, set it into the rotary mode, and get a beautifully polished finish. When using a Rotex sander, it has an ergonomic 2-handed grip for even all-day sanding. You can either hold it with a screw-on grip that goes either on the left or the right, or you can use your hand to hold it in the front grip all at the same time while you're holding it in the back. Now, if using the smaller model Rotex RO90 has a special additional mode in addition to the rotary and random orbit modes for the V93 pad. This triangular shaped pad will allow you to sand into small, tight corners. And like all other Festool products, it comes with a sustainer, and it's great for taking your other sustainers and attaching them, locking them together, and it's perfect for organization and storage. The entire line of Rotex sanders have electronic controls for soft start, as well as variable speed and constant speed under load and thermal overload protection. They're designed for highly effective dust removal while attaching a vacuum right here in the back. And then the plug-it power cord has a really long design that allows for plenty of movement, and all you have to do is to easily plug it in and twist clockwise to secure the plug, and then all you have to do is untwist to remove it. Here is the Rotex RO90, which has a 90mm 3.5-inch diameter pad. The RO125 with a 125mm or 5-inch diameter pad, and the RO150 with a 150mm 6-inch diameter pad. With all of these features, this might be the only sander you need. To learn more about Festool sanders and other Festool products, check out highlandwoodworking.com.